Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox launching experience problem in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of problem while connecting to the Roblox server, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your Roblox app. Guys, this problem usually occurs due to your slow internet connection or your Roblox server problem. You can see I had opened the Roblox. You just need to log out this Roblox app. Just click on the top. Guys, just click on the below 3 dot. Click on logout. Before clicking continue, you need to add your email ID and or you can skip it to log out. If you add your email ID, it will be safe for your Roblox account because it will not get locked. After adding your email ID, just click on continue. Just click on recent confirmation email. And you will receive a email confirmation. Just verify and confirm your email. Now you have successfully logged out from your Roblox app. After that, you need to open any browser. Here you need to type roblox.com. After coming to the Roblox website, below you will find continue in app. After that, you will find continue in browser. Just click on continue in browser and type the username and password of this Roblox account. Click on log on. You can see here continue in browser. Just click on this. After coming to the Roblox server, you can click anyone. Automatically it will take to your Roblox Android app. It will open your application. Here you need to log in your Roblox account. You need to enter your username and password and click on login. After login and try and play with your Roblox server or your Roblox game. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox launching experience problem in Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.